Let's have a look at 10L number 1. If V is the volume of a cylinder with radius r and height h, write down the rate of change of the volume when A, the height is increasing at a rate of dh dt, whilst r is kept constant. Okay, so A. So the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. dVdh in this case, r is kept constant, so it's dh dt. So dVdh times dh dt is dV dt. dVdh is pi r squared. Okay, so dV dt is dVdh times dh dt. And we said that was pi r squared. Let's have a look at B. The radius is now increasing at that rate, dr dt, and h is kept constant. So similarly, volume is pi r squared h. Now let's work out an expression here. We've got dV dr times dr dt is equal to dV dt. Okay. So here we're going to do dV dr, because r is increasing at a rate. That's the variable. So we've got pi times 2r, that's that, times h. 2 pi rh. And so you putting it all back into here, we've got dV dt. So it's dV dr, which is 2 pi rh times dr dt. Okay, now we're over here at 2. The volume of a cube is increasing at a rate of 2 meter cubed per second. Find the rate of increase of its surface area when the cube has a volume of 27 meters cubed. So they've told us dV dt, and what we have to find is the surface area dt, so dSA dt. Now cube volume is, it's a cube, so it's s cubed, where s is the side lengths. And the cube surface area, if we know that s is the side length, then that's going to be, and I've got s, that's SA there, so I've got s squared times 6, so it's 6s squared. Okay. Now, they've told us here, when the cube has a volume of 27 meters cubed, what is the value of s? We can work that out. So if the cube has a volume of 27 meters cubed, then s is equal to 3, because if that cube volume is 27, 3 cubed is 27. So we know it's 3 meters. Now let's set up two equations here. We need 2. We've got dV dt is dV ds, ds dt, and the surface area dt equals the surface area ds times ds dt. Okay, now that ds dt is in both. We're going to use that. So over here we're going to resolve for ds dt because we know dV dt is 2. dV ds, okay, that's this one, is 3s squared. 3s squared, that's dV ds. So 3s squared times ds dt. So we put that in terms of ds dt, and we've got 2 on 3s squared. Over here, we've got dSA ds is 12s times ds dt that came from here. We ended up with 8 over s. At s equals 3, dSA dt is equal to 8 on 3 meters squared per second.